Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya Konrad K. Sangmau lepenting kena bau Menteri Rangba du keri India Narendra Modi sawan banyu kejat hapo ke Jala Meghalaya haka khat pratarik mentau brai Nohprah banyadan mentah ki artli ki jingyalang bat kawai neki kandai halor ke jingra ki dap Sunpost nam jong North Eastern Council.
The Honorable Prime Minister will be visiting Shillong on the 18th of December, and the purpose of the visit is to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the Northeast Council. So he will be having two programs, and details of that will be shared later. But he will be having two programs. He will be here for a couple of hours or 3 hours, and he'll be flying back to home. But yes, his program is confirmed, and it is mainly for the Northeast Council's Golden Jubilee celebration. All necessary arrangements obviously will be made, and when Prime Minister comes, then of course security arrangements are even looked at from the SPG side. So all those details are being worked out.